Morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is the market analysis for today. So if you are watching this for the first time, I analyze the boom and crash market, and that can give you an edge to analyze the market and see the probability of winning trade for today. Okay, depending on what time you are watching it, try to check the chart again of the assets that I'm going to review in this video, so you can check what the market is saying currently at your own time of watching this before you jump on it. So I try as much as possible to post this every day for you. If you do not have a boom and crash account, the link to create one is in the description below. Okay, so do so, and also do not forget to join my Telegram group. The link is going to be in the description below. So this is boom 300. Basically I do start from boom 500 or crash 500, one of the 500 indices. Okay, so we have boom 500 right here. Let's load it up and let's see what the market is saying. So I'm going to zoom in a bit. This is 1 hour time frame. The reason why I analyze mostly in the higher time frame is to do the top down analysis to understand what the market is saying in the bigger time frame, because that matter most. Once we know the trend of the market in the bigger time frame, then we can look for the opportunity to continue in that direction in the higher time frame. So let's start from 4 hours and let's see what the market is saying. 4 hours right here. What did you see? So the boom has been on uptrend in 4 hours. You can take a look from here. If you draw the line all the way to this place, it's still an uptrend. Okay, but first, this is our point one here. This is a point of resistance right here. Okay, cause bounce the market up. And then this is another point of resistance right here. Then this is another point of resistance, but this is another one again. Okay, so which one is more active? Okay, which one is more stronger? You will see that at this point. Okay, because this place added as another resistance right here. Okay, so many resistance right here. So the market came here, passed the resistance here, came down to test this resistance level here. So you can see this 1 or 2 3. Okay, it came back to test it in this region. So this market might go up. Okay, this is the first touches on the resistance. Okay, it went up. This is the second touch, it went up. This is the third touch. Okay, so this market might go up. Okay, so I'm looking for a selling or a buying opportunity right here. Okay, depending on your capital. If you have good capital, you can enter for a buy right here. Okay, that's the 4 hour time frame. Let's go to 1 hour. So you can see the 1 hour time frame, the buying is happening already. So immediately touch this resistance zone right here. You can see immediately touches it right here. You can see there's a buying pressure all the way up here. There's a buying pressure. So this is going to be a buy for me. Okay, so probably it's going to pull up into this region at least, or this region. Okay, so our first TP should be here, our second TP should be here. Okay, that's how I'm going to enter it, and our stop loss is going to be, of course, at this red line right here. Okay, this value, that value is 4570.063. okay, that's going to be the stop loss. So use the minimal lot size you can use, and also do your risk management. So let's move on to our next asset, which is going to be crash 500. Okay, what did you say? Crash 500 also trying to gain some upward rally, because this has been a heavy downtrend. So it's formed a kind of support right here. Okay, it will pull up into this region, came back to touch the support. Okay, and it's pulling up again. Okay, so you might enter it on the second touch and set your stop loss, or you wait for the third touch. Okay, it's always better on the third touch. You wait for the third touch, then you enter the market for a buy, because it's going to pull up into this new area of resistance right here that it is building. Okay, so once it pull up into the region and it comes back again, then you buy it. Okay, that's going to be a buy for me. So that's what I'm seeing in the crash 500. Okay, that's what I'm seeing in the crash 500. Let's go to the 300 indices. Crash 300 right here. Okay, let's see what this guy is doing. So this guy is forming some level of support. This layer of support is so thick. Okay, so if you put your trend line right here, you will see that this is a serious area of support. So once the market hit it, it goes up. Hit it, goes up. So I tested this so many times. Okay, so many times. Of course, on the third touch is a good time to buy. Would have bought from there. So on this first touch, I don't know how strong this support is going to be again. Probably it's going to break it or not. Okay, so do not rush to go into this market. Wait for this touch. Okay, wait for this touch, then you can enter for a buy. Okay, and use a tight stop loss. Okay, so just in case the market is going to break this support, because once it hits it so many times, that support is very weak already. Okay, so the market can reverse. Use a tight stop loss, so that when the market is reversing, you're not going to be in the market and watch it all the way down and watch you blow your account. Okay, so that's basically my analysis of the crash 300. Let's see which other one we have to talk about. Boom 300. Okay, boom 300. So boom 300 too has ranged for a very long period of time. Okay, it has ranged for a very long period of time. Okay, with the all-time low right here. Okay, lower low right here, and the market is pulling up. Okay, it's pulling up. So this is the last resistance level, taking the market up. So it's pulling back into the last resistance level. So it might turn that to a support level to continue going down, or if it breaks it, it come back for a retest, then we expect an uptrend. But the boom is always good for sell, okay, depending on your capital. Okay, so I won't be going into this market right now. I won't be going into it. Okay, so that is my analysis of the boom and crash. Okay, the boom 500, crash 500, boom 300, and crash 300. Always cross check the chart. Okay, always cross check the chart before you take your trade. That is very, very important. And also, if you don't have your account yet, click the link below. Okay, you see a link to create your boom and crash account. Click on it and you can create your account easily. And most importantly, do not forget to join my Telegram group. Okay, join the group so you can stay notified whenever I have any signal for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and bye for now.